Hi, I'm Eddie O'Brien.
And I'm Alia Modi.
We're super excited about another listing we have here in the Bay Area, and this happens to be in Fremont. Alia, you know what I like about Fremont?
Go ahead, tell me.
You're literally 30 to 45 minutes away from the city, from the beach, from your work. All the Silicon Valley companies are literally 30 to 45 minutes away from this location. Alia, what do you think?
Absolutely, Eddie, you're so right. This is a perfect commuter's location. This home in particular is so beautifully upgraded. Gorgeous countertops, beautifully upgraded bathrooms, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath. You really have to take a look.
Let's take a tour.
Welcome to 5008 Oak Hollow Terrace in Fremont. This bright and airy exquisite home is situated at the end of a cul-de-sac in the peaceful and desirable Ivy Glen community. The home has cathedral ceilings and open floor plan with upgraded hardwood floors throughout. A spacious gourmet kitchen with recessed lighting, granite counters, stainless steel appliances, farmhouse sink, pull-out spice racks, plus a large island complete with a breakfast bar makes way to a beautiful family room with cozy fireplace. The spacious master bedroom retreat has double doors, a vaulted ceiling, spa bath with standalone glass shower, and a huge walk-in closet. All bathrooms have been newly updated with modern fixtures and granite countertops. There's also a recently installed central water softener, upstairs laundry room, and a 220-volt electric car charger in the 2-car garage. The home has an expansive, low-maintenance backyard with a new gazebo, flagstone planter box with roses, and several assorted fruit trees, apple, plum, orange, and lemon. Close to highways 880, 84, and Dumbarton Bridge. Near Google, Facebook, Tesla, and all major tech companies and shuttles, BART, Fremont train station, served by both Amtrak and the ACE trains. Enjoy excellent public schools, Fremont Hub, grocery stores, shopping centers, and hospitals, all within a short distance. You don't want to miss this one.
Thank you so much for taking a tour of our beautiful home.
As you saw, it's a gorgeous property, a great opportunity. If you have any questions, that's what we're here for. Reach out to us anytime. We'll talk to you soon.